Welcome to the demo of Future Pro. The main aim of our program Future Pro is to inculcate 21st century skill sets amongst our learners. Skills such as curiosity, self-learning, critical thinking, problem solving are all the behaviors and skills that we aim to develop amongst our learners. The primary goal is not only to help them understand and learn this, but also for the system to track the changes in behavior, measure them, and keep giving continuous feedback to the students. In this demo, we will take a deep dive to understand how exactly do we achieve this through our program. And that brings us to the first USP of our program, which is the content. And let's take a look at how we utilize content to make the topics more real life, more relatable, and more realistic through examples and case studies.
Here, a complicated concept such as cloud computing is explained using an analogy of a house being given out on rent.
Suppose your relatives are coming to stay with you for a couple of months. However, your house does not have sufficient space. So either you may build another house or build extra rooms in your existing house. But it would be expensive and time-consuming, and also may not be an efficient solution, as you would not need the space after your relatives leave. So a better solution would be to take rooms on rent while your relatives are visiting you, and when they leave, give up using the rooms and just pay for the time the rooms have been used. Cloud computing also works in the same way. You use the services of another computer for storage or for other computing needs only as much and for as long as you need to, and pay just for that.
Now let us see another example where analytics is explained through a similar manner.
Suppose several thefts and snatching incidents are being reported from a locality. The crime reports are studied, and data about the exact location and time of the incidents are recorded. Slowly, a pattern is observed that help the police to identify the vulnerable routes or spots and the hours of operation of the criminals. Based on this information, some actions are planned or decisions are made. In this case, the actionable insights can be to increase police patrol in those spots at the hours when the frequency of the crimes has been the most, improve lighting along those routes, and install CCTV cameras at those locations.
Future Pro enables the learners to practice the 21st century skills and improve skills such as curiosity, self-learning, teamwork and collaboration, problem solving, and critical thinking. To improve the learners' engagement, interactive activities, quizzes, and games are interwoven within the session. Along with the core content, learners are presented with various exploration content such as asking questions, know more, and vocabulary-based snippets. Questions are posed periodically, even from modules completed earlier, so that students can recapitulate concepts and are in constant practice, which improves the retention of the learners. The heavy engagement of learners in completing the e-learning components, passing the online evaluations, and completing the self-learning assignments helps to build the self-learning behavior of a learner.
Our second USP is our blended learning format. This format not only gives the learners the freedom to do self-learning, but also takes them through the journey in a structured manner where instructor-led sessions are also held. Let us take you through a tour of how this is achieved.
While the e-learning sessions and related components support the enhancement of self-learning behavior. The ILT sessions focus on learning applications by enabling learners to practice the concepts in real-life scenarios through various collaborative activities and projects. The classroom activities are based on finding solutions to real-life requirements or problems, thus enabling learners to collaborate and implement problem-solving and critical thinking strategies, starting from problem identification, idea generation, research and planning to solution presentation. All aspects are further rated based on a rubric and presented as dashboards and behavior charts.
This leads us to our other unique USP, which are measurable behavioral dashboards. What happens is that when learners engage in various activities, they leave a trace and a track of how they are progressing in their behaviors. The system captures all these traces and creates dashboards and charts which are a record of how they have actually progressed in terms of their behaviors. We will take a look at the dashboards and try and understand how we utilize these dashboards and graphs for the benefit of the learners as well as the facilitators.
A learner's curiosity largely depends on engagement, exploration, and retention. The engagement parameters are captured through the learner's module completion statistics and learning discipline. The module completion is measured based on the completion percentage of various learning elements. On the other hand, for capturing learning discipline, the platform measures the number of frames viewed and skipped against the total number of frames or slides present in each learning activity. The exploration and retention are derived based on the learner interactions with the supplementary content such as vocabulary markers, know more content, knowledge sharing activities, questioning components, and multiple assessment performances in the assigned modules. Increased learner engagement and enhanced participation in activities are reflected as positive scores in the learning graphs. Teamwork and collaboration skills are captured based on the learner's contribution towards group activities through the platform. The group members interact and complete tasks through the platform, and the platform's built-in logic derives the teamwork score. The score also integrates the students' participation in the discussion forums and results in formulation of the teamwork and collaboration dashboard. Students' performance in the application, analysis, and evaluation level assessments are used to construct the critical thinking dashboard. The cross-module linkage is built into the program to reinforce concepts and provide ample practice opportunities. This means that even after completing a logical reasoning module, the student gets an opportunity to practice the practical application of critical thinking skills when learning about information and media literacy or cloud fundamentals. This enables learners to develop the ability to apply their learnings in multiple contexts, even beyond a specific module. All these charts and dashboards are presented to the students and the faculty members with individual and aggregate level views. The individual level charts enable learners to track their own progress. The aggregate level charts help the faculty members to identify the batches with higher and lower performance on specific behavior and learning elements. Drilling down from batch level to student level enables the faculty member to build strategies and action plans for a given batch.
So we have now seen how the various 21st century skills and behaviors are incorporated in the program and learners are helped in their journey through ILT sessions, self-learning, dashboards that capture their behavior. All our Future Pro sessions consist of such engaging activities and throw up such behavioral graphs and charts.
The following modules are a part of our Future Pro program: Cloud Fundamentals, Logical Reasoning, Analytics, Information and Media Literacy, Self-Management, Professional Development, Computational Thinking, Global Citizenship, Social Media, Security, Mobile App Utility, and Design Thinking.
That completes our journey into Future Pro, and hope we have helped you understand a little bit about what Future Pro is all about. This is just a glimpse, and trust me, when learners go through the entire program and through all the modules, we have actually seen measurable change and growth in the learners' behaviors. We have also utilized external consulting partners who have validated these changes and growths. Thank you very much, and we hope to interact with you further soon.